Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Similarweb to analyze a website and how you can install the Similarweb browser extension to get more information about the website. So to use Similarweb, there are basically two ways how you can use it. So the first one is to use their website, so similarweb.com, and if you open up similarweb.com, this is their homepage, and you can just add your the website name you want to analyze. So as you can see, you can not only analyze website, but you can also analyze Android apps, iOS apps and companies. And in terms of pricing, they have a free trial which you can use, I think, without a credit card. But even if you do not have the free trial and you do not want to pay for a paid plan, you can still use their website even if you are not paying for it. As you can see, I do not have a trial right now, and I still was able to get information about nerdwallet.com, which is a financial education website. And you get a lot of data like total visits, the device distribution, so whether they get more traffic from desktop or the mobile devices. You get some bounce rate data, pages per visit data. You get their weekly traffic data as well here. You can compare it to their competitors. You can see the top countries, the marketing channels, so whether they get traffic from direct, organic, paid, referral, or social media, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of data here that you can analyze. And even easier way to get some information about the website is to use their web browser extension, and it works in any web browser. So I'm using currently Microsoft Edge, but you can do this in Google Chrome, and all you have to do is click on the extension icon once you have installed it, and you will get pretty much the same data we have on their website, but the data here is a little bit less detailed, but you get the most important information like how much traffic the website gets, what are their main traffic sources, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, how you can use this web browser extension. All you have to do is search for Similarweb extension, and whichever web browser you use, you're going to be able to install the extension by clicking on the search result and click on add. Then the browser extension icon will be added to your web browser, and you're going to be able to see and analyze any website you want. So now this is how you can use Similarweb and how you can install their web browser extension.